Hello, welcome to Bert's Body Tips, the weekly video series that gives you tips, tricks, and secrets that the professionals use. I know you're going to have fun and learn something, so let's see what Bert has for us today.
Hey everybody, this is Bert. I just want to give you a tip on how to save money on guide coat. What I do, I find an old can of paint that I got on the shelf that I already paid for, pour a little bit in here, depending on the size of the job you're going to use. Take a little bit in there, dark color preferably. Take a little thinner. I thin it up, probably about 70%. I don't make a mess like that usually. So I stir it up real good. Then I pour it in the cup. Usually I don't use this cup because they cost money too. I got a primer gun for this, but I'm going to show you in this cup. Pour it in. Get that. Take my gun. This way, I'm ready to go in the paint room and show you how to put the guide coat on. This is 69 Corvette I'm restoring. These some headlight bucket bells for it. This is how I put my guide coat on. I put a little on it. All the way around. That's good, and then we sand it, get it ready for paint next.
Thanks for joining us on Bert's Body Tips. If you have any questions, comments, or ideas you'd like to see in future videos, please leave them in the box below. Otherwise, we'll see you next week.